What's up, Sylla fam? This your girl Miriam here. Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope everybody's doing great because I'm doing all right here. On today's video, I'm filming a cooking video today. Tonight, I am making some plantain. I'm gonna be frying some plantain and make some buffalo hot wings. Let me show you guys the kind of buffalo hot wings I'm about to cook. And I have my kids with me. Myla is back there, Mohammed is up here, and Balu is eating. They're gonna be helping me out today. And look at this, buffalo hot wings. I love this so much. And this is what I'm about to make with some plantain, okay? I'm gonna make this for the kids tonight, and my mother-in-law and myself, of course. My husband, I know he's not gonna be eating this because he loves rice. He's not gonna be eating this, so I'm just gonna make this for us. And I want you guys to cook with me and stay tuned. We're gonna start this cooking together, okay? Don't move.
So guys, my mom is gonna cut the chickens. Well, I'm gonna have to go to bed early, so I mean she's gonna tomorrow, but Mana doesn't have school. Tomorrow's supposed to be a holiday. Mana doesn't have school on a holiday, but I guess we're gonna have to go to school and
They don't know if it's a holiday. Tomorrow is Puerto Rican Day. So in my island school, they don't have school tomorrow.
I guess we have to celebrate my Puerto Rican teacher.
Balu was like, why they don't have Puerto Rican Day in her school? I don't know about that.
I guess it's because we have to celebrate my Puerto Rican teacher, Miss Wilson. Shout out to you!
Oh, Miss Wilson is Puerto Rican?
Guys!
Alright, girl. Shout out to you, Miss Wilson.
Well, shout out to my teacher and my friend herself. Guys, we got new TV, but my little brother messed this TV up. He did it, but our last TV, he broke that one. It was like a screen.
Do you guys think I'm gonna be uploading this? The conversation you guys doing right now?
No.
Exactly.
Show them what you're doing. Face.
I'm feeling this. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn on the oven. Mohammed, stop. I'm gonna turn on the oven and put it on 375 so it can preheat, and this is what I'm gonna use to bake my chicken. Mohammed is interrupting me. What are you talking about? Okay guys, I have the plantain in here, and I'm about to cut this plantain before start frying it.
So,
Hello, Myla. Choy.
I
Just Ruba.
just want to say one more.
Never matter with Mary.
And
Myla, Chai, Abana, Myla, Chai. Anyway, you're for the far, I be for the far.
So, shout out to my friends that subscribe to my YouTube channel because they will get a shout out. Just one more from my little brother. Bye-bye. Just my little brother. Just put the blanket and put the pillow and put that pillow, put that pillow, put that
Chicken, I had to put the chicken here so I can season it, and I have cut some of my plantain. They're in here. I'm gonna put some salt on the plantain. And okay guys, this is what I'm gonna be using. I don't know if you guys can see it good. These are my season. These are what I'm about to use on my chicken. This is lemon pepper, and this is the plantain here, and I have my chicken in here. They're already seasoned, but since I am extra, I love putting that extra season on my chicken. But you can bake it like that if you want to. So I have my chicken here. I'm gonna put some lemon pepper.
Mommy, I like you. I love the chicken. I love how you cook. They're all good.
This is complete seasons. It has everything in it, and I'm gonna pour some of that, just a little bit, and I'm gonna put some of these too here, just a little bit, because like I said, the chicken comes already seasoned, but I am extra, so I'm just gonna mix them together like this. My hands are already washed, so I'm just gonna mix it together. And I have some oil in here. I will just put some oil, just a little bit, and just kind of like make sure it's all over. I'm putting oil because I don't have Pam spray.
Good night, Pam.
Good night. I have my chicken here, so I'm going to be transferring my plantain in here because this is too small and I need a bigger bowl. So since the chicken is more seasoned, I'm gonna put this in the oven and bake it for like 30 minutes. I hope y'all can see it good. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of salt and just mix it like this. I don't really like using my hand because I don't want to squeeze it too hard. So, and that's it. And fry it. I'm gonna be frying this, and the chicken gonna be baking, and I will show you guys how the chicken is looking and how it's tasting. I mean, I am struggling here today because I am trying to do this cooking video for y'all, but my kids, they are not letting me at all, and it's driving me literally crazy right now. But I can't do nothing because if I put them away, like Muhammad gonna be screaming and hollering for no reason. So I'm just gonna let them be and do their little things here. See? Everybody gave up, but him, he's still here. See him? See?
I'm still here.
Oh, you still here? You still here too?
Mommy, yeah, they do.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
What are you guys doing today?
My mom
We are cooking. What are we making?
a chicken cooking.
You cooking?
Yeah.
Mama, what are you cooking?
Chicken and plantain.
Plantain chicken? Okay, y'all.
But we're not gonna open this because
Motherhood is real. It's so real, but okay, you guys, I am about to come fry my plantain. The oil is hot. Mohammed, you don't put your hands in the plantain. All right, the plantain right now is cooking. It's frying. I hope this video turns out good because Mohammed is not really letting me. So, have you guys noticed anything? Like anything at all? Right here? You guys know since I've started this YouTube video thing, I never wear makeups. I don't have any makeups on right now, but I have a little lipstick. It's kind of like a matte on my lips because I'm feeling this tonight, and I just wanted to wear this and then go out because I went somewhere earlier, so I had to do this to kind of look pretty, okay? But yeah, I still have it on. It looks cute on me though. I don't usually wear makeup. I'm not a makeup person. If you see me wearing makeup, that means I'm going somewhere very important or like special or like a party or something. But when I'm going out, my everyday face is a natural face. I don't really like wearing makeup every day. It's not me. It will make me feel like a clown, you know? It's not me. No offense though. I love when I see women wearing makeup, but it's just not me, okay? But I think this one looks good on me. I'm loving it. All right, you guys, my chicken is ready. This is it, and this is the plantain right here. I have the plantain and I have the chicken. It's baked. It looks good. It smells good. Okay, so this is it. So you guys, I ended up baking the chicken for like 1 hour because it was not the way I wanted it to be, because the chicken was looking so smushy and I want it a little bit crispy. And this is it. This is 1 hour bake. The oven was like 400 with 1 hour baked. And this is my plantain. All right, I'm about to serve my mother-in-law and the kids so that they can eat. Mylan don't eat chicken. She doesn't like chicken at all, but I'm gonna serve her with some plantain. She's gonna eat that. Who knows this? This is ranch. Who doesn't like some buffalo chicken wings with a ranch? We're gonna be eating it with the ranch. Okay? Ranch. Okay? Ranch. All right, y'all, this is mine. I have like 3 chicken wings here and some plantain. I have a little bit of ranch. Who doesn't like hot chicken wings with ranch? I guess nobody, right? This is so good. Let me dip in the ranch. You guys, comment down below if you like buffalo chicken wings, okay? Because this is popping right now. This is so popping, y'all. Let me show you guys what Muhammad is doing. My baby is eating. Look at my kids, y'all. Mama, you like chicken? Yeah. Look here. Look here. You like it? Look. He can keep his hands in his plate. Drink some water. Get some water. Look at your nose.
So guys,
and that's the chicken eater in here.
I need it with my hand because I can't put it with my fork.
Yeah, my mother-in-law is eating it. She's loving it. Mama, you like it? She said, What are you looking for? Ketchup? Mama, you need napkin? You need some napkin? Wipe your mouth. Good boy. Oh, you wiping your nose? Everywhere? Okay. Okay, that's enough. You're gonna put pepper in your eye. Say bye to everybody. Say bye.
No.
No? You mean?
Bye, guys.
Say bye. No, you mean?
Bye, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna end this video here. This cooking video has been great. The kids kind of drove me crazy, but it's okay because I'm done with it. Yeah. Mama said he wants more chicken. Go, Grandma gonna give you some chicken. Go get some chicken with Grandma. Mohammed had 2 wings already and he wants more. But anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope everybody likes it. Comment down below if you like buffalo chicken wings, okay? I love you guys so much. Subscribe if you haven't already and join the family. And thank you guys for our subscriber. We love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support and love, and continue sharing our YouTube channel on your social medias. Thank you so much, and we're gonna end the video here, and we out. Peace.